Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Kleinanzeigen app is not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Kleinanzeigen app. So here if it's not working, you have to follow these steps. So here I will just open it. Okay. If you see here, it is showing some like here again just allow it. If it's not working for you, then you have to press and hold it here. Then click on this I button. Then you have to scroll down and click on the storage and click on clear data. Then you have to open it again. If it's worked, then fine. If it's not worked, then you have to check for the update. So updating is very easy. You can just use your Google search bar or you can use your Google Play Store as well. So here I will just do Google search bar and search for the app. So here you have to go and click on here. Then here you have to click on update button and you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.